We at Blossom Culture Aroma Magic not only make clean and green cosmetics but contribute to environment. We have planted and sustained over 15,000 trees which are now fully grown. We decided to share out love for environment with children this time. Children and their love for playing with mud is well known. We decided to turn it into an educational and fun activity. We collaborated with Give Me Trees Trust to teach the children from IP Extension slums about seed ball making. It turned out to be amazing, fun-filled afternoon for everyone. Abhinav from GMT explained that the art of seed ball making is a simple yet impactful way to contribute to our environment. Seed balls are made from clay, compost, and seeds that can be easily scattered in areas that need reforestation or greening. They protect the seeds from harsh conditions and predators, giving them a better chance to germinate and grow. The children love making the seed balls. We use vegetable seeds so that the children could watch them grow. They had fun writing words with the seed balls they had made. The children joined us in this simple yet impactful act of seed ball making, and we were happy that we taught them to sow the seeds of a better and greener tomorrow.